Today we're going to keep working with subtraction. Do you remember what subtraction means? That means you start out with a big group, take some away, and you're left with a smaller group. So you might see words like minus, or how many are left. Or you might see the words take away when you are working with subtraction. Well, today you're going to need 10 connecting cubes, so pause the video while you gather your cubes. All right, now we are back and you have your 10 cubes. So your cubes can be different colors, they can be the same colors, it doesn't really matter. I just have 2 different colors for better teaching purposes, okay? So I want you to take your 10 connecting cubes and cover up 2. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is what we did. We started with 10. We covered up how many? We covered up 2. And then we counted 8. We saw 8 after that. Now what is our subtraction sentence? 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. See, we just added in our symbols to make our subtraction sentence. Let's do one more that way. Let's do this one. All right, so put your 10 cubes back together and cover up 3 this time. How many do you see? 7, right. So we started with how many? 10. We covered up 3, and we saw 7 at the end. So what is our subtraction sentence? 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Right, we just need to put in our symbols. Okay, how can we make a story out of our subtraction sentences? All right, so let's pretend this. I had 10 socks. There are my 10 cubes. The washing machine ate 4 of them. Oh! So I'm going to take my 4 away, of 4 socks. How many socks am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I started with how many socks? I started with 10. The washing machine ate how many? 4. And I was left with 6. So our subtraction sentence is 10 minus 4 equals 6. Let's do one more. All right, here's my subtraction story. You ready? I baked 10 cookies. And then Noah came along and ate 5 of my cookies. How many cookies are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, I have too many. Sorry. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so I have 10 cookies. There we go. Noah came along and ate 5 of them. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I started with 10. 5 were eaten and 5 were left. So my subtraction sentence is what? 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Great job. Now click on the next link to see a really fun subtraction story.